Today we discuss about circulatory system. Firstly, we know about the where heart is located. Heart is located between your lungs, in the middle of your chest, behind and slightly to the left of your breastbone. The other name of circulatory system is cardiovascular system. What is cardiovascular system? Keeps the body working by delivering oxygen to body cells and removing waste means CO2 यानी कि carbon dioxide from the cells. Now we discuss about the parts of circulatory system. Firstly, we discuss about heart chambers. The heart is divided into 4 chambers. First one is right atrium. This is the location of right atrium. Second one is right ventricle. Then third one is left atrium. Fourth one left ventricle. These are 4 chambers of our heart. The valves of the heart. In our heart, total 4 valves. First one is tricuspid valve. Tricuspid valve is located between the right atrium and right ventricle, and this is the location of tricuspid valve. The second one is pulmonary valve. The pulmonary valve is located between the right ventricle and pulmonary artery, and this is the location of our pulmonary valve. The next one is bicuspid valve, and other name of bicuspid valve is mitral valve. The location of this valve is between the atrium, left atrium and left ventricle, and this is the location of our mitral valve. The last one is aortic valve. The location of this valve is left ventricle and between of the left ventricle and aorta, and this is the location of our aortic valve. Main functions of valve is to control the backflow of the blood. And next one is blood vessels. In our body, 3 kind of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries, they carry blood away from the heart to various organs of the body. Veins, they collect the blood from the different organs and brings to the back to heart. Means veins carries always deoxygenated blood. Capillaries delivers low oxygen blood to veins. Thank you.